In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the COUNTIF function in Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or looking to deepen your understanding of its capabilities, the COUNTIF function is a game changer when it comes to quickly analyzing and summarizing your data based on specific conditions. It allows you to count the number of cells within a range that meet a particular criterion, making it an incredibly powerful tool for data analysis. Let's start by considering a simple example. Imagine you have a list of fruit names in your Google Sheet, and you want to count how many times each type of fruit appears in that list. This is where the COUNTIF function steps in to do the heavy lifting for you. To begin using this function, start by typing an equals sign in the cell where you want your result to appear. After the equals sign, type COUNTIF, and then open a parenthesis. This is where you'll start setting your parameters for the function. The first parameter you'll need to input is the range. This is essentially the selection of cells that contain the data you want to evaluate. For example, if your fruit list is in cells A1 through A10, your range would be A1, A10. When you type this into the function, it will look like a simple range reference. It's important to ensure that the range accurately covers all the relevant data points you wish to analyze. Next, you'll need to specify the criterion, which is the condition that you want to apply to your range. This could be a specific fruit you're interested in counting. If you're counting apples, simply type apple in quotation marks as the second parameter. So, your function should now look like this. COUNTIF A1, A10, apple. This tells Google Sheets to count how many cells within your specified range contain the word apple. Once you've set both your range and your criterion, you can close the parenthesis. Then press Enter, and like magic, Google Sheets will display the number of times the specified criterion appears within your range. This instant result is what makes the COUNTIF function so useful for quickly gaining insights into your data. A few quick tips for using the COUNTIF function more effectively. Remember that the range can be adjusted dynamically by dragging it from a lower cell, and your criteria don't always have to be text. You can use numbers or even comparison expressions like greater than or less than for more advanced uses. There you have it, a straightforward way to make your data work for you with Google Sheets' COUNTIF function. With this knowledge, you can efficiently get insights from your data and effectively make decisions based on the information at hand. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to experiment further with your own data for a deeper understanding.